how to enable adblock on Twitch. So if you don't know, Twitch is an online streaming platform where you can watch online streams. So if you are trying to see someone on stream and ads are popping up and it's kind of annoying, so what you can do is you can go to your Chrome or any web browser you have and then search for adblock Luna. Once you search for this, you can see the very first link and tap on it. Here you can tap on install for Android. It says it might be harmful, but you're going to download it anyways. This may take a while to download. Once you have downloaded, you are going to click on install and this will install the application. Once you've installed the application, you can just open it and this will open the app, and you can just enter your birth year and click on agree. And after doing this, you can just click on this big power button right here. This will enable the adblock content, so you are going to approve the request to turn on the VPN. And once you have done this, you can go back to your Twitch and then check if any kind of ads are playing. So after doing this, your Twitch should mostly be ad-free. There might be sometimes some pop-up ads, but overall your Twitch should be ad-free. And that's how you can enable ad block on Twitch. Thank you for watching.